One of the important sets of work that a tax professional can provide to our clients is tax representation. Tax representation essentially means being the buffer between you as the client and the Internal Revenue Service or the revenue agency for your state. That buffer helps you by putting some distance between the big, mean, scary IRS and you, the taxpayer. The IRS considers CPAs along with enrolled agents and tax attorneys to be enrolled preparers. An enrolled preparer can represent a client before the Internal Revenue Service if that client is under examination or is in negotiation with the IRS due to tax-related problems. Dealing with the IRS doesn't necessarily mean getting a taxpayer out of owing taxes. Sometimes dealing with the IRS means admitting that the taxpayer owes taxes, but the taxpayer failed in her responsibility to file on time or pay on time. No one should deal with the IRS on their own. If you receive a notice from the IRS, especially one saying that you owe money or that you could face penalties if you don't respond promptly, you really need to use a tax professional, specifically one who is an enrolled professional, to respond to that notice. Even if the letter includes something that you already knew about or says you owe an amount that doesn't seem that bad, you should still run that by a tax professional to see what your options are in responding to the IRS. If you have a tax preparer who isn't doing that for you, find a tax professional who will. For all of my clients, tax representation is automatically included, and it's never an upcharge.